This is a homemade aquarium of my daughter. She used chewing gum bottles she bought from shop, and now you see this small fish is very beautiful. They are swimming here under to and fro, and we get the source of water from this little one, this one bottle. We prepare it for supply the water. We fill here with water, and when we fill the water here, you see this pipe. We use this pipe by a drip pipe, liquid drip pipe, and this will fill to this fish bottle. And the house water, the exit water will flow to this pipe. Okay, so this is so now I want to make this one bottle too to fill another fish for my daughter, and I have to put a hole here and fill this pipe in this place, and we use with wax or any then wax, and it will flow water to this place. Okay, bye.